Wow. I just love the results my mold gives all the time. And that without using hair wrapping strips, that without using a hooded hair dryer. I use 3 products and one of them is a must. Because that's what makes a Pixie super soft. If you're a beginner and you just started practice doing your mold, you don't have to do all those swirly at the sides that you see everyone doing, including myself. As a starter, you can just practice in laying your mold and getting it perfectly laid, and then later doing your swirly at the sides. So for example, you can just do it as simple as this. And then when your hair is dry and when you're styling it, and if you want, you can always use your edge control or whatever you use to just form a little bit of swirls at the side if you want. But you can just leave it like this and your mold will be just as nice. But for this mold, I'm going to do a little bit of swirl. And just to let you know, I'm still not good at this. I'm still practicing. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. What you need to do is try and form a C. So I'm doing just doing a little. As I say, I'm not doing too much with the mold. So you just try and form a C as you go. I'm still not good at this. I'm still practicing, but as I say, it doesn't need to be perfect. Yeah, and that's basically it. Now, normally, you'll see most of us using a wrapping strips, but for me, I'm going to use a scarf. You can use a satin and a silk scarf if you want to try this method that I'm going to do. I don't have anything against wrapping strips, it's just that I got so used to using my scarf and I just love the results afterwards, and it does save me money as well. So I'm just going to use my scarf to just tie it down. And then I'm not going to use a hooded air dryer, I'm just going to let it air dry by itself. Probably take me an hour and a half or 2 hours to dry. And that's it. I think the best way of this crab in a Pixie mold is like building a construction. If the structure is not right, everything else will crumble. If you're a Pixie girl for a good while, you'll understand what I mean. And if you're just starting out, I think with experiences, this will make sense. So yeah, you have to get your mold right. Because if the mold is not right, everything else will fall out of place.